Guys, I just found something weird on the wall. It literally says, "Do not press." So, should I press it? Mom said curiosity killed the cat, but I'm Muffin, not curiosity.
Uh-oh.
Who started the apocalypse again?
I'll save the family!
Nuh-uh.
From what, breakfast?
Wait, nothing's burning!
Then why's my heart rate 300?
It was just a little test.
Muffin, did you press?
It? Define press? Activating cleaning mode.
It cleans? We needed this for weeks.
See? I saved everyone from dirt.
For once, he did something useful.
Target detected. Fur level maximum. Wait, what? I am not dirt. This is going on Meow too.
Dad!
Stop filming in H-E-L-P. Okay, on 3 we trap it.
Wait, why do I have the broom?
Because you're replaceable.
We did it.
So, can I press it again?
No! Lemon again? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Muffin and his family.